so that people can get attention here in the country, which is a little bit more affordable. So I want to just encourage the family and to say that we are together, and the church, you have a new leader, the pastoral team, the management, and the congregation. Please support her to succeed. Support her. A leader is as good as a team that supports that leader. That is why we support President William Ruto for his very pragmatic and courageous decision to dissolve his cabinet and come up with a new team that is focused and competent to help him in the management of the affairs of this great nation. And I want to ask the church and all Christians to pray for our president to pick the right people. God has given him a chance to come up with a good team of patriotic Kenyans who are not corrupt, who are not arrogant, who are not vomiting on Kenyans, who are serious on service delivery. Our president needs your prayers. Are you going to pray for him? Please pray for him. And I'm sure God will be merciful to him. He'll get God's favor to pick a good team to put our country on the right trajectory. So as we pray for President William Ruto to pick the right team, you as a church do the right thing. Support Reverend Kathy to succeed. And you don't have a choice, because our brother who is lying here has left a very great institution. You cannot go back. You can only improve it. Finally, on a light note, I heard Bishop Mark Kariuki say that people who are here found the Degwa is different. I too am in that boat. I was here in the Degwa 31 years ago. I was a young district officer in charge of Kiambaa, where the Degwa is. Where we are was land with coffee, owned by a company called the Degwa Company Limited. And I oversaw the subdivision and giving titles to the owners of all these properties that now have been developed. I'm so proud what I have seen, the development that has taken place.